Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to all the new subscribers here. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little bathroom cleaning, and I hope it gives you guys some motivation to get some cleaning done as well. So I'm just going to put this shower curtain over this and we're going to get started, y'all. So guys, to get started, I'm just going to pull my little bucket out here. This is where I keep all of my cleaning supplies in the bathroom. I'm just getting my sponge and my rag and the Clorox cleaning spray that you guys saw me take out. This is pretty much all I'm going to be using to clean the bathroom with. So I'm just going to remove all the little sponge thing that the kids shower with. And I'm just going to spray the shower down real good and get the cleaning. Now guys, as you can see that the bathtub is pretty dirty. It's not my favorite job. I don't like cleaning the bathtub. I definitely don't like cleaning the towels at all. But we got to get it done. We got to get it clean. And so it does make me feel better when it's clean. But like I said, it is not my favorite. So we got to get all this soap scum out. It has gotten pretty bad. So yeah, let's get it done. So now I'm just going to put everything back like it was, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the shower curtain back down and pull it back and let the kids know that I cleaned it. So now we're just going to go ahead and get started with the toilet here. I'm just going to spray it down real good and let it set for a while. And I'm going to go ahead and remove everything in the back of the toilet here so I can wipe it down as well. And everything is pretty dusty. It's not dirty back here, it's just really dusty. So I'm just going to take that bleach and clean everything up. And I also have rusty water running down from the lid up here, running down the toilet here. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that up. And I'm going to go in with my these Great Value disinfectant wipes here and clean the toilet seat off and get that dust and stuff off. The toilet is not really dirty, it's just really dusty. So yeah. So now I'm just going back in with the spray and spray the inside, and I'm just going to take my brush and go around and clean it up real good. And that's going to be it for the toilet, guys. Now I'm just going to place everything back like it was. Take all this stuff out and put everything where it's supposed to go. And up here is where I keep all the toothbrushes and floss and stuff like that. Some of it, because I did have shells in here, but they broke. So now I'm just going to put the toilet tissue in this little thing that I had for a while. And I did get this from the Dollar General. a while back, to keep the toilet tissue in. So So now I'm just going to clean the sink up with the same cleaning spray. And the sink is really dirty. The kids kind of got, toothpaste on the little thing up here, the little thing that I'm cleaning now. So yeah. So now I'm just placing everything back in this little wooden thing here. I bought this as a soap storage, and I got it from Hobby Lobby for like $5. And I didn't want anything glass, so the kids won't break it. So now I'm just placing a clean towel up here, and I'm putting all my cleaning supplies back. And I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum the floor up, and I prefer to vacuum instead of sweeping because the hair flies everywhere, the lint flies everywhere. So I just prefer to use the vacuum to knock it out all at once. All right, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it gave you all some motivation to get some cleaning done around your house. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.